Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Speak Success channel. Today, let's learn how to make simple sentences in English using three important parts: a subject, a verb, and an object. Well, every sentence needs three key parts. The subject, who or what the sentence is about. The verb, what the subject is doing. The object, what is affected by the verb. In English, subjects are the people or things that perform the action in a sentence. The basic subjects are: I refers to yourself. Example, I am learning English. You refers to the person you are speaking to. Example, you are doing great. We refers to you and others together. Example, we are studying together. They refers to other people or things. Example, they are playing outside. He refers to a male person. Example, he is reading a book. She refers to a female person. Example, she is cooking dinner. It refers to a thing or an animal. Example, it is raining. These subjects help us form sentences and communicate clearly in English. Now, let's talk about verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. For example, the words eat, run, and write are all verbs. And let's look at some sentences with these verbs. I eat. She runs. They write. Let's add more information to our sentences by including objects. Objects are the things or people that the action is happening to. For example, I eat an apple. She runs a marathon. They write letters.
These are example sentences using the pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Repeat after me to improve your English speaking skills. I eat breakfast every morning. I read a book before bed. I write in my journal daily. I play soccer with my friends. I drink coffee in the morning. I watch TV in the evening. I clean my room on weekends. I sing in the shower. I drive to work every day. I cook dinner for my family. You eat healthy food. You read the news online. You write beautiful poetry. You play the piano wonderfully. You drink tea in the afternoon. You watch movies on weekends. You clean the house every Saturday. You sing in the choir. You drive a red car. You cook delicious meals. We eat lunch together at work. We read books in the library. We write letters to our friends. We play basketball after school. We drink water to stay hydrated. We watch the sunset at the beach. We clean the park on weekends. We sing carols during the holidays. We drive to the mountains for vacation. We cook breakfast for the community. They eat pizza on Fridays. They read stories to their children. They write articles for the newspaper. They play tennis every weekend. They drink smoothies after their workout. They watch documentaries in the evening. They clean the office every morning. They sing in the local band. They drive electric cars. They cook together on Sundays. He eats cereal for breakfast. He reads the sports section every day. He writes in his notebook often. He plays guitar in a band. He drinks orange juice with breakfast. He watches football on Sundays. He cleans his car every week. He sings in the shower. He drives to the gym every morning. He cooks pasta for dinner. She eats salad for lunch. She reads novels in her free time. She writes short stories. She plays violin in the orchestra. She drinks herbal tea before bed. She watches reality TV shows. She cleans the house on Saturdays. She sings in a jazz band. She drives a blue car. She cooks gourmet meals. It eats leaves from the tree. It reads the environment's cues. It writes data to the hard drive. It plays music in the background. It drinks the water from the lake. It watches over the neighborhood. It cleans the air as it circulates. It sings a melody in the breeze. It drives the system's processes. It cooks the food in the oven. Mixing pronouns. I and you eat lunch together. He and she read books by the fire. They and we write letters to each other. You and I play tennis on weekends. She and he drink coffee at the cafe. We and they watch the stars at night. He and I clean the garage together. You and she sing in the choir. They and I drive to the countryside. We and you cook dinner for the party.
Now, please answer the yes/no questions. Example: do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I drink coffee before I start work. No, I don't drink coffee, but I drink tea. The longer your answers to the questions, the more you can practice your speaking skills.
Do you start your day with a cup of coffee? Do you enjoy working on challenging projects? Do you code every day? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Do you use version control systems like Git? Do you test your code after writing it? Do you attend daily stand-up meetings? Do you document your code for future reference? Do you take breaks while coding? Do you check emails first thing in the morning? Do you collaborate with other programmers on projects? Do you enjoy learning new programming languages? Do you encounter bugs often in your code? Do you optimize your code for better performance? Do you use online resources for coding help? Do you stay updated with the latest tech trends? Do you write clean and readable code? Do you work late to meet deadlines? Do you participate in code reviews? Do you enjoy solving coding puzzles?
What does your friend do in the morning?
He starts his day with a morning workout. He enjoys coding complex algorithms. He checks his emails as soon as he arrives at the office. He always keeps his workspace tidy and organized. He collaborates well with his team on projects. He writes clean and efficient code. He often stays late to finish his tasks. He participates actively in team meetings. He prefers using open-source software for his projects. He learns new programming languages in his free time. He commits his code to the repository regularly. He follows best practices in software development. He tests his code thoroughly before deployment. He helps his colleagues with debugging issues. He enjoys attending tech conferences and workshops. He documents his work meticulously for future reference. He takes short breaks to stay focused throughout the day. He is known for solving difficult coding challenges. He regularly updates his knowledge on the latest technologies. He likes to mentor junior developers in his team.